Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Coco Puffs. Coco Puffs are a popular treat that everybody in Hawaii knows about. Liliha Bakery on Oahu made these famous pastries first. This is a recipe that comes close to Liliha's Coco Puffs. Here are the following ingredients. First is making the French pastry known as pâte à choux. In a pot over medium heat, add in water and butter. Melt the butter first, then add in the sugar and salt. Briefly stir it. Then lastly, add in the flour. Mix it well until the dough comes off from the side and bottom and begins to form a thin film at the bottom of the pot. Take it off the heat and set it in a bowl to cool down. It is important to cool down the dough before adding in the eggs. If the eggs are added into the dough when it is hot, it'll cook the eggs and the pastry will come out doughy. As the dough is cooling off, start on the filling. In a large bowl, add in milk, instant chocolate pudding mix, and Cool Whip. Use an electric mixer to combine all of the ingredients. The filling will become quite thick. Set it aside or put it in the fridge to chill for the time being. Now that the dough has been cooled down, using a wooden spoon, mix in one egg at a time. At first, it'll look like it's coming out into pieces, but keep stirring and in the end, it'll come together with a dough that is sticky and firm enough to hold a peak. Transfer the dough to a pastry bag with your widest tip on the end. A little tip to baking the pastries is to put a little of the dough on each of the corner of the baking sheet to hold down the parchment paper. Pipe the dough out into 1.5 inches of circles. This recipe can make up to 28 puffs. Once you have finished piping, wet your finger and press down on the peaks or it'll burn in the oven. Pop the dough into the oven set at 375 degrees and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. As the puffs are baking, start on the Chantilly Frosting. In a medium-sized pot, add in the butter, evaporated milk, sugar, chopped macadamia nuts, and egg yolks. Stir it until it begins to thicken. Lastly, add in the vanilla extract. Let the frosting chill in the fridge, covered for about an hour. Take the puffs out from the oven after it's finished baking. The inside of the puff should have a small pocket that will take any filling. There are two ways to fill it, either from the top or the bottom. Just create an X using a small paring knife, then with the chocolate filling in a pastry bag with a small tip, insert it into the puff and fill it. The puff will puff up and it will feel slightly heavier. Dip or spread the frosting on top of the puff. Serve it chilled or straight away and enjoy this onalicious Coco Puff. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!